Something about that hot rice with salmon and that creamy sauce on there. So flavorful, and I can't believe this took us, what, 30 minutes to make? Oh, hello everyone, it's Jenna, and today I'm sharing one of our favorite salmon recipes. This is a perfect weeknight dinner or whenever you don't have too much time to cook. Now, the star here is the sauce. It is so rich and creamy and bright, and you only need a handful of ingredients. So for the sauce, you're going to need about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon. This lemon was extra juicy, so we used about 1/4. You'll also need a few sprigs of dill. I think the herb goes so well with the lemon here. And you'll combine the lemon juice and dill in a bowl and add about 1/2 cup of mayo. We use a SCD-friendly avocado mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic or fresh garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. And you're just going to mix that all up. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This just makes cleanup faster. And next, we have the co-star to this recipe. This is about 2.5 pounds of wild-caught salmon, which we will season with some salt and pepper. Then just spread the sauce on every inch of the top of the salmon. You'll want the sauce to stick to the salmon, so if you notice it is running off the sides or is too watery, there's probably too much lemon juice, and you can add a bit more mayo to thicken it up. You'll want the sauce to be a thick coating on the salmon. It's looking so good already. We have this salmon at a lot of my family parties, so this is definitely something I crave. And I'm so happy that there's now avocado mayo out there and other SCD-friendly mayos, so Vincenzo can have this too. We'll bake this salmon in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, wine review time. All right, you guys, I know everyone looks forward to these. I know I do when it's wine time. Today we have Flowers Sonoma Coast Chardonnay. It's a 2018 vintage. And since we cooked salmon today, I thought it'd be a really good pairing to do with white wine. So let's give it a taste. Give it a good swirl, get all that oxygen in there. Floral, citrusy. I could already get those notes of flavor in here. It's a little oaky and a little buttery, which tells me this has probably been fermenting in a oak barrel, probably French oak. That's usually a Napa standard. Or a Sonoma Coast standard. This has a like smooth, buttery, creamy flavor to it. Let's see, what else do I taste? A little bit of white peach. I'd say this is a nice, refreshing, light Chardonnay. I think it's gonna go really well with our salmon. Thumbs up, delicious. After 20 minutes, the sauce will almost bubble up and get this nice caramelization on the top, which is how you'll know it's done. I like to serve this with some hot rice for me and maybe some cauliflower rice for Vincenzo and some veggies. I'll leave the link for our cauliflower rice recipe down below. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It's that sauce for me. Give the salmon just one last squeeze of lemon, and there you have it. Creamy, citrusy salmon that took us no time to make. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.